Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap as a whole, we're currently sitting at $1.93 trillion, up 1.0% in the last 24 hours. And the BTC dominance continues to keep pulling down sharply, despite the fact that Bitcoin is heading towards another all-time high. We are seeing Bitcoin dominance go further down, which is a very, very bullish sign for all the altcoins. And a lot of analysts are starting to say that that altcoin, season that everyone was anticipating is officially about to start. So very exciting times ahead for all altcoin holders. If we're looking at the entire market right now, guys, you could see green across the board. Like a lot of green literally across the board. But today I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is VeChain. So I'm trying to make as many videos on VeChain, like daily videos on VeChain for you guys because you guys do enjoy them. So I'm bringing you what you guys ask. So if we're looking at the VeChain's current price right now, it's currently sitting at 8.8 cents, up 2.7% in the last 24 hours in the USD comparative, and it's also up 2.3% in the BTC comparative. And our top rank is 20 on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Market cap right now is $5.7 billion. 24-hour volume is getting higher than yesterday, and we're currently sitting at 857 million, approaching that $1 billion 24-hour trading volume. So everything is looking very, very healthy in my opinion, and we're just 11.2% away from its all-time high, and I believe this is the month where we will see some newer all-time highs for VeChain. So now let me share some news with you guys. So VeChain is topping Real Vision's a poll of most undervalued crypto. Sync 2 Lite version now supports Ledger. So let's go down here. So this is Real Vision's poll, and VeChain is winning as the most undervalued asset, and we all know that. I've been saying for the longest time, masses are finally starting to realize what VeChain is really all about. It was being slept on for the longest time, despite the fact it's solving like a real world use case, and it's bringing mass adoption to crypto. But now people are finally starting to realize that, and these results do not shock me whatsoever. And also, Sync 2 Lite version now supports Ledger, as shared by a VeChain developer known on Twitter as Lebo Tony. A couple hours ago, VeChain Sync 2 Lite version now supports Ledger, the provider of security to critical digital assets for consumers and institutional investors. In the tweet, the developer captioned the screenshot that shows Sync 2's integration with Ledger for illustration. So very, very bullish sign. Now you can, store your cryptos on VeChain on Ledger. If you guys don't know what a Ledger is a hardware wallet which you own the private keys to. That's like a whole different conversation. If you're new to the space right now, you might not know this, but if you keep your currencies on exchanges like Binance or any other exchange, you do not own, like, obviously you own the account, but you do not own the private keys. It's the exchange owners that own private keys. So basically, you do not own, in a sense, you do not own your holdings or your VeChain tokens or whichever token you're holding. But in this case, when you have the Ledger, you own the private keys. So, it's very, very, important to have a Ledger because you want to hold your own private keys and you want to hold your own assets. You don't want decentralized exchanges holding it, because there's a lot of hacks that happen, and a lot of, exchanges have done exit scams in the previous years. So it's always good to be safe, to own your own private keys, and Ledger is a great way to do that. I have a link in the description box below where you can purchase a ledger. If you purchase it through my channel, it does help out my channel, and I would really do appreciate it. And yeah, so you know me, I always store all my cryptos on a ledger because, like I said, I'm in it for the long haul. I'm not here to do short-term trades here and there. Like I said, when I do see newer all-time highs, I do move my coins to the exchange, like some coins to the exchange, sell it, and put it into USDT and whatsoever, and move it back onto Ledger, because I would never leave my hard-earned money on a centralized exchange, regardless of how big it is. I just do not feel safe doing that. So that's just some news for you guys that I'm sharing with you if you're new, and now you guys know. It's always good to keep your own cryptos onto your own ledger or any hardware wallet or wallet, because you want to be the one holding your private keys, not the exchange owners. You only want to move your only want to move your cryptos when you want to make a trade. If you're in it for the long haul, move it off the exchange and keep it somewhere safe, and always have your own private keys with you somewhere stored safely, because without that you will lose all your crypto funds. Also, on Twitter, VeChain Foundation posted almost 800 nodes have casted their votes regarding the reduction in VeChain Store's base gas price. This vote, V vote is very important process that will determine the future of VeChain for all stakeholders. Let's build this future together and vote now. Veto. So if you want to vote for this, go on VeChain's Twitter and you can vote through this link. I did make a video on this, and there's already 800 nodes that have casted their votes, and it's only going to get up. In my opinion, it's very important to do so. Also, if we're looking at the price right now, guys, you guys see the price. It's holding very strong around these levels. It's just a matter of time. It's just an absolute matter of time that we smash past this 10 cents zone and hit the next target, which is 12 cents. We did touch it twice, almost basically we touched it in the last month of March. I was very confident that we would break it in March, but that did not happen. We hit 9.9 cents, not exactly 10 cents, but I believe April is going to be a very bullish month for VeChain. Not only VeChain, every other asset, every other every other altcoin, because as you guys know, BTC dominance continues to fall further, and a lot of analysts are finally starting to call this altcoin season to finally begin. And when that happens, VeChain is obviously gonna go up with the entire altcoin market. And despite the fact of altcoin season or not, VeChain is gonna go up, because people are finally starting to realize what VeChain is really all about. Because at the end of the day, it's solving a real world use case, it has a working product, and it's bringing mass adoption to the cryptocurrency industry. And it's now starting to send shockwaves around the crypto space, and which is making a lot of people start realizing what a gem of a VeChain it really is, and people are finally starting to get into it. Right now we are in an accumulation zone, because this zone has been very strong. It's holding very strong, trading sideways. It's been trading sideways for a while, and I believe accumulation zone is coming to an end very shortly, and we will see newer all-time highs. And that's when we do see a newer all-time high, I will take 15% of my holdings. If you guys don't know, when I see a newer all-time high, take 15% of my holdings and put it into USDT or some other coins that I like, because guys, nothing goes up straight forever. There's always going to be these corrections. I scale back in then, but you guys do what works for you at the end of the day. And this is just my own strategy. You guys do what works for you. And if you're new, guys, and you guys don't know about VeChain, VeChain is by far the most undervalued project in the space, and they are partnered with some big names. If I could just quickly show you some of them, such as DHL, BMW, AWS, what's it called, H&M, and Walmart. You guys get the picture. And now a lot of people are finally starting to realize it, and I believe there's very exciting things coming ahead for VeChain in the short-term future. And I'm in it for the long haul, as you guys may know. Even if this bull cycle peaks out, I will take some profits, but I will scale back in, because I see the future of VeChain, where it's heading, and that's what makes me extremely bullish on VeChain. And I just wanted to share this news with you guys. I'm trying to make as many VeChain videos as possible for you guys because my VeChain community really likes them and supports them a lot. So I really do appreciate all your guys' support. And let me know your thoughts down below. Where could you see VeChain go at the end of this month? Let me know your thoughts down below. If this video gets 500 likes, okay, I'll do this again. Last video did not reach 500 likes. It still got some days, 2 more days to go. If that reaches 500 likes, then basically I will do 2 giveaways. But if this video reaches 500 likes a week from now on, so I will come back a week from now on to this video. If it reached 500 likes, I will do a $100 giveaway to one random lucky winner just to say thank you to my viewers. And guys, with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap it up. Please stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And with that being said, do not forget to smash that like button, hit the red subscribe button, and yeah, it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.